Good morning, student. How are you? I hope all are good. Topic name is Chapter 20 12 Months in a Year. Pick out your maths workbook, chapter number 20 12 months in a year, page number 36. Okay, 12 months means what? In the India has a two types of month or two types of year. In the English calendar and the Indian calendar. What is the English calendar? English calendar means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is a English calendar month. Okay, and the Indian calendar. Indian calendar means चैत्र वैशाख ज्येष्ठ आषाढ़ श्रावण भद्र अश्विन कार्तिक अर्घ्य पौष माघ फाल्गुन. Okay, this is a Indian calendar. Okay, and Indian calendar is the how many seasons are in the India is the 6 seasons. First seasons is start from Indian calendar will the start from the month of Chaitra. So first season is Vaishak, then Grishma, then Varsha, then Sharad, then Hemant, then Shishir. Okay, in the Indian month of the season is a 6 and the English month of the season is 4. Is a summer, winter, summer and rainy seasons. Okay, now in the text workbook page number chapter number 20 page number 36. Month of the English calendar. Write the names of the month, their number of days. In the first month is January and days is 31. Second month is February 28 or 29. Third month is March, again 31. Fourth month is April, days 30. Fifth month is May, day is 31. Sixth month is June, day 30. Seventh month is July, day 31. Eighth month is August, also days 31. Ninth month is September, days 30. 10th month is October, days 31. 11th month is November, days 30. Last month is December, so days is 31. Okay, and the how will count the days of the month? Okay, days of the month कैसे count करना है? So see here the बैक साइड ऑफ जो अपर साइड आएगा वो आपका 31 एंड जो बीच में अंदर जाएगा वो 30. ओके, राइट द मंथ दैट कम्स बिफोर एंड द आफ्टर गिवन मंथ. February बिफोर मंथ इज January. February after March. May before April. May after June. August before July. August after September. November before October. November after December. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the month of the dash is the first month of the year. First month कौन सा आता है? Which month is come first? January. Dash is the last month of the year. December. Dash comes before June. June के पहले क्या आता है? May. Dash comes after October. October after November. Comes between May And July, May or July, which month will come? June. The months dash months start with the letter D. D से कौन सा महीना स्टार्ट होता है? December. In which month do you celebrate this festival? Independence Day कभी celebrate करते हैं? 15th August. Republic Day 26th January. Christmas is December. Gandhi Jayanti is October. Now page number 37. The month of Indian calendar. Indian calendar means Chaitra, Vaishak, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra. Okay. So first month always start in the Indian first month is Chaitra. Second Vaishak. Third Ashad. Third month is Jyeshtha. Then fourth month is Ashad. Okay. First month is Chaitra. Second month is Vaishak. Third month is Jyeshtha. Fourth month is Ashad. Fifth month is Shravan. Sixth month is Bhadra. Seventh month is Ashwin. Eighth month is Kartik. Ninth month is Agrayan. 10th month is Paush. 11th month is Magh. And 12th month is Falgun. Okay. First month is Chaitra, second month Vaishak, third month Jyeshtha, fourth Ashad, fifth Shravan, sixth Bhadra, seventh Ashwin, eighth Kartik, ninth Agyaran, 10th Paush, 11th Megh and 12th Falgun. Write the names of the month that comes before and the after. Vaishak before Chaitra. Vaishak after Jyeshtha. Kartik before Ashwin. Kartik after Agrayan. Shravan before Ashad. Shravan after Bhadra. Megh before Paush. Megh after Falgun. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the first month of the year. First month is Chaitra. Dash comes before Paush. Paush before come Agrayan. Dash is the last month of the year. Falgun. Dash comes after Bhadra. Bhadra after come Ashwin. Dash is the ninth month. Ninth month is Agrayan. Question number 8. In which month do you celebrate festival Gudi Padwa? Gudi Padwa always celebrate in the month of Chaitra and this is called a Maharashtrian New Year. Okay. Now Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Bhadra. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is Paush. Holi. Holi is Falgun. Diwali. Diwali is Kartik. Okay. Now turn the page. How many days there are in the present month? Look at the calendar and fill in the dates. Okay, the year 2021. Which month will start? Next month will. Okay, tomorrow is the last month. Okay, so next is October. So the days will counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, observe the above month and fill in the blanks. There are dash Sunday in the month of dash. How many Sundays? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays in the month of October. There are dash weeks in the month of. So how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks in the month of October. The first day of the week is Friday. The last day of the week is Saturday. Look at this year calendar and observe this question. Which days does the August 15th fall on? So, Sunday. On which day Christmas will celebrated? दिस इज़ फॉर योर होमवर्क. आपके घर पे कैलेंडर रहेगा, कैलेंडर से ये आपको देखकर करना है. ओके, बाय बाय, सी यू सून, टेक केयर.